Welcome back. Your dreams were your ticket out.
This is some rotten soffit, rotten fascia board, and rotten plywood where the gutter leaked. And this is what we got to replace. So I'm going to change all this out. If you notice, they had that cove molding underneath the gutter. It runs all the way. And this soffit is it's over 2 foot wide. It's almost like three and a half feet. So it's going to take a whole sheet of plywood. So that's what I'm doing.
Scott, thanks a lot for making me.
Welcome back. Your dreams were your ticket out.